What's missing in this application we built thus far? Of course, authentication and authorization. We got some dummy authentication implemented in the React part of the app already, but if we're honest, we're not really authenticating users there. We're just switching between different UI states, and that is all. We also got a dummy login route on the backend, but again, this route isn't doing anything useful thus far. Therefore, in this module, we will change this, and we will also not just work on authentication, which means logging users in, but we'll also work on authorization, which means that even if a user is logged in, we don't allow everything for that user. For example, you can't edit or delete places you didn't create. Therefore, in this module, we'll do one very simple thing. We'll add authentication logic on both ends, and that for me then also includes that we add authorization logic so that we control whether a specific user is allowed to do something or not. But let's start with authentication.